Everybody wants to be part of an environment that's like calling them in, right? That you feel pulled into, where the energy's good and things are flowing well. But let's all face it, we've all had situations where that wasn't the case. I remember there was a season in my life in my early 20s where, man, I just dreaded going to work. Every single day when I woke up and I knew I was on the schedule that day, I started to feel anxiety. I started to just feel this like horrible feeling inside. And I'm not an excuse type of person, so I would still go, but man, it sucked. And I just want to share with you, like for me, my boss was terrible. The environment within the team wasn't great. Most people also didn't want to be there. And so I had a choice to make. I couldn't change him, and I didn't have the authority to like revamp or adjust the people who were in these positions around me. So I had to make the choice to change the environment by actually removing myself from that environment. That was when I put in a request to transfer departments and work under a different leadership and really revamp what my responsibilities were, because I knew I needed that change. And God, it created a new spark. I was able to wake up excited. I was with a team of people who also felt great about what they were doing. We had a good synergy, and it gave me like a renewed vigor for work. You might not realize, but today is actually, thank God it's Monday day. And if you're not waking up today on Monday thinking, thank God it's Monday, I get to go charge towards my goals. I get to go be around a team of people that I love, I care about, that energize me. Maybe you need to sit back and think, what can you do to either bring more energy to that team, to that day, to what you're doing? And if you're already doing that, then maybe you need to consider removing yourself, getting a new environment. Really, that's going to depend on what are you tied to and what are you doing. But if you hate Mondays, something's got to change. And if you can't control what needs to change, you can control you. It might be time to get up and get out of there. Something to think about on Thank God It's Monday Day.